Picture this. You're sitting in third period. Everything's fine. Then you feel it. That moment of pure panic. You check. Your worst nightmare confirmed. And you have nothing with you. No supplies, no backup plan. Just pure panic and a hoodie you're desperately trying to tie around your waist while praying nobody notices. I've been that girl. Traumatized in the school bathroom. Never again. This emergency pouch saved my life multiple times. Let me show you what's inside. Most girls think they can just remember to pack supplies. I'll grab it that day. I'll be fine. Girl, no. Periods don't send calendar invites. They show up unannounced like that one friend who never plans ahead. This pouch lives in my bag 24/7. I don't think about it, I don't stress, it's just there when chaos strikes. And it's not just for periods. This thing has saved me and my friends for the most random emergencies you can imagine. Get a waterproof zippered pouch. Because leaks happen and you don't want that disaster spreading to the rest of your bag. Functional. That's it. Pads and tampons, 2 to 3 of each. Whatever you use. Your friends will 100% ask to borrow one, so don't pack like you're the only person who gets periods. Extra underwear in a sealed plastic bag. I know it feels weird to pack, but one accident and you'll get it. Black underwear, sealed. Done. Pain relievers. Vitamins because cramps are genuinely evil. Trying to focus on algebra while your uterus is performing a hostile takeover? Absolutely not. Keep 2 to 3 pills in a small container. Panty liners for light days, they're tiny. No excuses. Wet wipes because feeling fresh is not optional. Way better than sad school toilet paper. Tissues. For bathroom situations, surprise emotional breakdowns, or your friend who's crying over a bad test grade. Band-aids for random injuries. Someone's always bleeding in gym class. Safety pins for broken bra straps, ripped hems, whatever clothing disaster strikes. Stain remover pen. This thing is magic. Period leaks, spills, whatever, it fixes it. Download a period tracking app on your phone. Way easier than carrying a notebook. Track your cycle so you're not completely blindsided. Now the most important rule that changes everything. Never touch this pouch at home. Don't be lazy at midnight like, oh, I'll just use what's in my bag. My cabinet is so far away. Stop. This is for school emergencies only. The second you start raiding it at home, you'll forget to refill it. Then the day you actually need it at school, empty. And you're back to panic mode tying hoodies around your waist. Keep it sacred. Keep it stocked. Use it only when you're genuinely stuck. Refill immediately when you get home if you used something. Not tomorrow, not next week. Immediately. This pouch has saved me more times than I can count. Bad cramp days. Unexpected early periods. My friend who started panicking in the bathroom. It just sits in my bag doing nothing most of the time. But that 5% when I need it? Absolute hero. Build yours today. Like right after this video. Future you will thank present you. And listen, this pouch is just one piece of having your bag completely together. If you want my full system for organizing every pocket, what goes where, everything you actually need, I made a complete backpack essentials guide. It's linked below. Watch both and you'll have the most prepared bag in your entire grade. Subscribe for real advice. Go build that pouch, bestie. You deserve to feel ready for anything.